Periodic table originally organized by Dmitry Mendeleev, later refined by Henry Moseley. It's arranged by atomic number, which is the number of protons that we have. So beryllium would have 4 protons. And this atomic number also tells us the number of electrons that we have floating around in the electron cloud on the outside, because the number of positive protons in the nucleus has to be equal to the number of electrons. Now, the periodic table, it can be divided up. We have an imaginary stair-steppy line that kind of runs down this thing. And to the left-hand side of it, we have the metals. Of course, this group right here is the transition metals, or the transition elements. But that tells you, since these are transition metals and they're to the left, and they have things like nickel and copper and iron, and they've gold and silver. All right, these are all metals over here that you're familiar with. To the right is going to be the non-metals, things like chlorine and oxygen and nitrogen. Okay, and then along the stair-steppy line we have the metalloids. The metals on the left, they have characteristics such as they are lustrous, meaning they're shiny. The metals typically are. They are malleable. They can be hammered into thin sheets. They're ductile, meaning they can be stretched into thin wires. And they're good conductors of energy, whether that be heat or electricity. They're good conductors. The nonmetals on the right-hand side, they are none of those things. They are not malleable. They're not ductile. They're not lustrous. They're not good conductors. They can conduct, but they're not good conductors. All right, and then the metalloids, they're kind of split down the middle. They're sitting on the fence, where they might be a little bit lustrous, but not very malleable. They might be ductile, but not good conductors, so they're kind of split down the middle. Now the families run up and down on the periodic table. This is the alkali family. We have the alkaline family. We have these guys over here, just name the top: boron, carbon, nitrogen, and oxygen family. Then we have the halogen family here, and the noble gas family on the end. Families have same characteristics. For instance, the alkali family is extremely reactive. All right. The noble gas family is non-reactive. They don't react with anything. They're inert gases, they call them. All right. The coinage metals, copper, silver, and gold. These are all, things that can be very shiny and lustrous and malleable. They can be hammered out in the coins. So they all have very similar properties based upon the families that they are in.